Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am journaling for Thursday, May 7th and Friday, May 8th in my A5 Hobonichi cousin Avec. This is my creative journal. I use a lot of stickers and collage, a little bit of writing, some doodling, so if that sounds like fun, then get out something that you enjoy and let's do it. I stuck down in the corner one of those really cute number washi tapes. Those are from Maste. I ordered them from Jet Pens a long time ago, and now they have even cuter, like, little patterns and stuff like that. They're super cute. I think they're meant for bullet journaling and stuff like that, but I love them. They're adorable. My Sprocket was working overtime. I printed out a picture of Michael holding his bread. And then in the bottom, I printed out a picture of my mom and dad on one side, sitting in their garage, and then me on the other side of the garage. We had a social distance cocktail hour. I went over to give my mom her Mother's Day present and stuff, and they had the garage door open, and they sat on one side of the garage, and I sat on like 10 feet away in a chair with a mask on, and we had a glass of wine, and I gave her present. It was just really nice to see them, and it was just really, it was fun. So we're gonna try and make it like a weekly thing, if not more. So that was nice. And then I was just using a few more stickers from my collection. It's hard to say where all of these are from. That Happiness is Homemade came from a pack of journaling stickers that was from Tuesday morning. And then a bunch of these other ones, the ones that I'm using right now, they're called calligraphy stickers. That's all it says on there, so I don't know. I was sent them, so I'm not sure like where you would get them. Those little people stickers are so cute, and up in the top, it doesn't really say. It says AOZ Studio Happy Life Deco. 6 sheets. I believe you can get those on Amazon. I think I've seen them on Amazon. I've been getting a lot of questions lately on where I get my stickers, and you guys, it's so tough because you have sent me a lot of them, and I don't know where that you guys have gotten them. And I think a lot of them are from like different countries, like Japan and Korea and stuff like that. So I'm not really sure. Those cute ones say Cube Sugar stickers at the top. So I have no clue. I'm terrible because I can't tell you guys where to get this stuff, which is really frustrating. But the ones that I do know, I link on Amazon when I can. So I've been using that Shapes sticker book, what is it? Me and My Big Ideas Happy Planner Colorful Shapes sticker book I was sent, and I love that because it breaks up my journaling pages so that I can write about like a few different things, and it kind of separates the spaces. And then I was just sticking in more stickers. We got a letter from Henry's teacher in the mail because he had taken, at the end of 3rd grade, they do testing to see if you get placed in like an extended learning, like ELP type environment. And so he had done that testing before this whole thing started, and apparently he did really well. So he's going to do the ELP classes next year, and so he was super excited about that. And it was actually kind of funny because the letter was super hard to interpret, so I had to email the ELP teacher and ask her how to read the table. I was like, is this part of the test? I don't know. I'm not sure if this says that he qualifies or he doesn't qualify. You guys, it was the most confusing table I've ever read in my entire life. So if that was part of the test, then I failed for him. I thought that was kind of ironic, to say the least. So thank God he must have inherited his father's brain, because I am not ELP material. I was C-team material. So he's excited, and that's all that counts. the little girl Addie drew me is supposed to be me. And it's with my lime green fleece on, and that little thing that looks like a leaf on the sweatshirt is actually my zipper. So, in case you were wondering what that was, but I put it in to signify like her, because on Friday, Henry and Addie have been working on, and Michael have been working on this Rube Goldberg machine, like where you, it's like a machine that does a whole bunch of different steps to achieve like one simple little task, and kind of like, think of like the Goonies, the kid in the Goonies that would make all those cool inventions, that's kind of like him. Whatever. Anyways, they had made one in the basement, and they showed it to me on Friday because it was finally finished. So it was really funny, and they were so excited that it actually worked. So I have a really poor quality video I'll put at the end of their Rube Goldberg machine, but I was trying to doodle a version of it here. It's not accurate or anything, but I just wanted to signify that they used some like rotating fans, and then a balloon popped at one point, and then it like triggered some dominoes, and then this tissue paper fell off of the sign that Addie had written "ta-da," and that was the end of it. And it was really funny, and it was super cute. They were so excited, so that was neat. And then I just wanted to do a little bit of doodling, so that's what I did. And so I was using my Arteza colored pencils to color that in, and that coupon code is still good. If you're interested, you can go on the Arteza website and use my coupon code, which is down below. I think it's good until May 28th. So it's not just good on the colored pencils. You can buy anything on the Arteza website that interests you. So I was using a bunch of the shape stickers, and then a lot of those funny looking like calligraphy stickers. There was a bunch of arrows on there and stuff like that. So I was just writing Addie's Rube Goldberg machine. And then I put a Hong and Ding sticker in there of a bunny like at a book. And then I was sent some Pusheen stickers. I love Pusheen. Pusheen is my spirit animal. So there's one up in the corner of a Pusheen that I think looks just like Michael drinking a cup of coffee, and there's a donut that says perfect. So I loved that. And then, a lot of those like funny arrows and stuff like that, I just thought was super fun for this little spread. There really wasn't much to say, we've just been kind of doing the school and the, everything else. So I was supposed to, I used one of those Honeybee Village stickers. I'm not sure if you search Honeybee Village or Pony Brown, but I know you can get them on Amazon because I've seen them before. But I loved how she was like so excited, and I thought that was really cute. And then I was just journaling that they did school, and I was put on call from 3 to 7, but then actually I had to go into work, so that was nice. I got to get in some hours. And let's see, I think that's about the end of the spread. Like I said, I'll try and link some of those interesting, fun stickers if I can find them on Amazon. Otherwise, if you guys have sent me them, then please tell us in the comments where you found them, because I'm not sure. Let's see, a lot of those sayings are from American Crafts sticker books. Those hearts are from American Crafts sticker books. And a lot of those I find at Tuesday Morning for a really good price. But you can also find them on Amazon, just more expensive. And then I'm adding some hearts, and that's about it. Planning on a low-key weekend. I'm going to post my plan with me's. Those don't seem to be my most popular videos. If there's a way that I could make them better, please let me know if there's something different you'd like to see. Otherwise, I'll be back at you with those and then some more journaling. Hopefully going to enjoy a nice Mother's Day weekend. Happy Mother's Day to all of you out there, and I hope that you are staying safe, and give us some good ideas, things we could do this weekend. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
This is my root golden machine.